Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question, why does Google Photos download as HEIC? So, you save pictures from Google Photos in original format, what you upload them. And on the iPhone, photos are often saved as HEIC. And when these photos are backup, they use still HEIC format. So when you download them back, you have HEIC, not JPEG or PNG format. But if you want to get JPEG, we can open settings and then go to the camera. You need to find camera, located under the accessibility and general settings. Enter into the camera and then click at the format line, the first line here, and you need to select most compatible. And now you will upload them in the JPEG format. But also we have the second option. So let me switch to my PC. You need to open your browser, then at the search bar at the top write Google Photos, sign in into your account and make sure that you use your correct account. You can switch to another one or add your account, so you should be in your account. Then we should find photo with HEIC format. Okay, so I need a second to find this photo. And right here we have this format. So now we need to save this photo on your computer. Click at the three dots, download. It will save like zip file, and we need to only HEIC file. So let me save it in downloads. And now let's open it. So I should have this photo here, right? Okay. Oh, and right here we have it. So what you should do, you need to click at the view at the top, then show and file name extensions. Now we see the format. Click F2, or you can also click at the right click mouse and then rename. Okay, maybe so rename. Now remove HEIC and write JPEG. Enter. Then yes, and now if I click at the properties, you will see that now we use JPEG file. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.